Guys, today I'm going to introduce you very important tricks for you, and I'm going to drafting an annotation, which is the 2D mode of the AutoCAD. Then I go, if you want to draw line, you can get line command from the ribbon and select the line command, and you can easily draw the line. Okay, this is the first type of the line command, and the second type is you can type in the command, you can type line line. Okay, then you can easily draw the line like this. Okay, the easiest type is you can just type L. Okay, type L and press enter. It is the easiest method of drawing a line. Okay, and this type you can make lines. Okay, then you want to measure the length of the line. Okay, you want to measure this line length. You can go annotate and dimensions and give the first corner and second corner and drag the mouse. Okay, what is this? You can't see the text. Okay, you can't see the text of the measurement. Then you can fix it from uh, you can go this way. You can go dimensions in the arrow, dimensions, and the corner arrow, press the corner arrow. It is the dimension style manager. Okay, it is a long method. Okay, you can just type DIMST. Okay, DIMST and press enter. DMIST and press enter. You can go. Okay, then modify. Then you can uh, make change the text height and okay, then close. Then again we go dimension and give first corner, second corner, and drag the mouse. You can see the length of the line. Okay, the easiest method is you can type DIM. Okay, press DIM, type DIM and press enter. Then give first corner and second corner and drag the mouse. The easiest method is you can type DIM and press enter, then select just your line. Okay, select your line and you can get easily the dimension for a free dimensions. Okay, you can type di and press enter. Then uh, you can know the length of the line, but it is not written, it is not fixed.